a dot here. So these two will eat together, make one eighth note. Okay, so that is how we got three notes here. So I hope you understood this. If you still have any confusion, you can let me know, or I'll can break it down more. So uh, this note is your semiquaver plus a demi-semi because it has a dot with it. Okay, and let's add two over four with this. And let's add one eighth note more. Now, why I'm beaming them together? Because as we studied, this is a 2 by 4 time signature. So there's an imaginary line here. Okay, so before that, already given the example that we can make 4 demi-semi quiver, which are equal to 1 quiver. After that, let's use the example semi-quiver, and then these two are equal to 1 quiver, and these two are equal to 1 quiver. So we hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do question number 4 from our previous topic, which was the note values and the rest. So in this one, today we have to write 2-bar rhythm. We have to write 2-bar rhythm using the note values and rest we know include one dotted semiquaver note. Okay, so we have to write a rhythm in which we have to use the note values and the rest we know till now, and we have to use at least one dotted semiquaver note. So as you can see in the first example, it is 3/8, and that means we need 3 quiver in each bar. So you can see here is the one, okay, and 4 demi semiquaver makes one quiver. So we got 2. This is the second one, and here if this is this is your demi semiquaver, yes, and this is your semiquaver plus demi semiquaver because there's a dot here. So these two will eat together, make one eighth note. Okay, so that is how we got 3 notes here. So I hope you understood this. If you still have any confusion, you can let me know, or I'll can break it down more. So uh, this note is your semiquaver plus a demi-semi because it has a dot with it. Okay, and here this note is again your demi-semiquaver. So 2 demi-semiquaver makes one semiquaver, and 2 semiquaver makes your one quiver. So that is how it is a half note, or half value means eighth note. Okay. Okay, so let's start with our 2/4. So for 2/4, let's put the bar in between for both of them. So 2/4 means we need 2 crotchet beat value. Okay, so let's start. So we'll start with, let's say we'll make 2 quiver or the eighth note. Okay, that completes the value of our one crotchet beat. Yeah, next let's use, as they say that we should use one dotted, and let's with this, let's make this and this one, and let's add 2 over 4 with this. Okay, now in this one you understood these two make one crochet beat. Now this is our dotted quiver, so I'm semi quiver, so it is plus demi semi quiver, and this is our demi-semiquaver. Yes. So these two makes one semiquaver, and semiquaver makes one quiver. Okay, here we complete one note, and these four demi-semiquaver beam together are equal to one quiver beat. So here we have one quiver beat, and here we have, so if we go plus, it becomes one crotchet beat. So we got first crotchet beat and second crotchet beat. Okay, let's move to the next one. Ahead of it, the rhythm. So next rhythm we can have is, let's make simple. We'll make, as they have given us, we'll make four demi-semiquaver. That makes our one half note, one eighth note, I mean, and let's add one eighth note more. Now, why I'm beaming them together? Because as we studied, this is a 2/4 time signature. So there's an imaginary line here. Okay, so before that, any notes are here, we have to make them together. We cannot separate them. Okay, and so that is why we are doing like this. And here simply we can again have say let's do one simple one crotchet beat. So we complete our time signature here. Okay, so these four again are equal to one eighth note, and this is also an eighth note. They both make one crochet beat, and here we have one crochet beat. So one, two. So we got two crochet beat in one within one bar. Okay, let's move on to the next one. 3/8. 3/8 means we need three eighth note or quiver in one bar, right? So let's start with the simple, as they have already given the example that we can make four demi-semiquaver which are equal to one quiver. After that, let's use the example what they want. We will use one demi-semi dotted quiver, okay, along with the demi-semiquaver. So this is a semiquaver, dotted semiquaver along with demi-semiquaver. This will complete our second half beat, eighth note, and at the last we can use, let's use a rest of a demi-semiquaver or semiquaver, sorry. Okay, now after that, let's then we add a note of semiquaver, okay, with this. So got it? Okay, now let's do the second bar. In second bar, let's start with let's say one eighth note. Then we'll go to one rest and one note again for demi semiquaver or for semiquaver. So we completed two quiver here, and at the last simple we can again use this. Okay, so now if you see, these four is equal to one quiver. Now this is one semiquaver plus demi semiquaver. This is demi semiquaver. So these two make semiquaver, and then these two are equal to one quiver, and these two are equal to one quiver. So we got one, two, and three quiver within a bar. Here, this is the first quiver. First quiver. These two make one quiver. So this is the second one, and these four make one quiver. This is our third quiver. So we got three quiver in one bar, each bar. Okay. So I hope you understood this topic. If there's any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. and I'll try to help you out more. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe as much as you can do. This is gonna help me out to grow my channel. It will help me out. Definitely, I'll try my best to help you out more as much as I can. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.